All right, so we ended up getting the car running. Obviously drove it to the shop, did a couple of oil changes, no metal shavings, so we're Gucci. Now we're gonna dyno it. But keep in mind, these are the DNJ pistons that everybody wonders how much they make, how much can they handle. I mean, nobody really knows the exact number, so I'm here to prove it. I'm gonna be on pump gas and spraying methanol, so we'll see what it does. Obviously, you guys know my setup. If not, I'll go ahead and make another video telling you more specifically what I have. But we'll see what it does to the dyno. We'll strap it and let you guys know if they even handle 300 or if they handle 600. Who knows? So we're about to go ahead and dyno it. Right now it's on, obviously, as you can hear. But we're about to see what it can handle. The goal is obviously, 550 in my opinion. But we'll see what it can do. And keep in mind, these are stock replacement DNJ pistons. All right, so whatever they can handle is what you're gonna see. So I'm really excited to see what it does. I was too excited, I forgot to record the first pull. But first pull was 539 on 508. That's crazy. We're gonna go ahead and do a pull, see how much we make. First pull, we made 539. Obviously, we did not intend to make that much on the first pull, so we're gonna go ahead and adjust accordingly. I don't know exactly. We're gonna do a little bit less boost, but just perfect it. But the dyno graph was pretty smooth, so I'm really excited to see what it can do right now. But anyways, we'll keep rolling. Really smooth graph. So obviously run 2, which was this one. Look how smooth the graph is. It's nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a third pull. All right, so right now we're at run 7. Oh, never mind, I guess he broke up. So we're having issues with voltage, and we're having issues on the fact that it's CAS, so the crank angle sensor, or camshaft sensor. So we're talking about being able to, I guess because it's breaking up in the higher RPMs, so I'm gonna try to see if I could go ahead and do the sensor for the trigger system is gonna be coming from the crankshaft instead of the cam, or the distributor. I'll have it wired up. And then we should be making more, obviously, but this is not bad. Like 5, what is it? We made 564 on pull 6, and then obviously right now it's 557. But keep in mind, these are stock replacement DNJ pistons. All right, I just got the top piston ring. I got that at 0.19 of an inch, and then the bottom one was gapped at 0.22, and then the oil rings are stock. Whatever standard is. And yeah, we left it at that. Bearings, obviously they have 2007-inch, I think that's what it was. So we left it on all of them, so they're all good. I mean, I'm running I'm running Mal connecting rod bearings, and you could get them off Rock Auto. They're the tri-metal ones, but the piston rings are Hastings. So I mean, overall, I mean, stock connecting rods too, stock rods. So yeah, not bad. And they're used rods from like a 250,000 mile engine, and obviously thanks to God it's holding up. Go for it. You're good.
It's a little working tack.
Well, 575, 507 torque. And that's with the DNJ Pistons. That is crazy. Crazy. I did not think they were going to hold that much. I was thinking maybe like 300 horsepower, but 575. And the only reason we're going to stop is because obviously we're having trigger system, so ignitions problems because of the distributor being my signal for it. So if we could swap over to a crankshaft sensor, that would be way better. I'm pretty sure I could break 600. So
on the wideband on the gauge?
On the wideband on the gauge runs a little bit richer. I mean, leaner. My bad.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so we're good. Anyways, we ended up making 575. And to the looks of it, what is it? 507 torque. Oh, my bad. And yeah, so far so good. DNJ Pistons actually not that bad. So it's pretty good.
Fuck. Slideways in. Ah, fuck, I fucked up.
Hey, go ahead. I'll pretend that didn't happen and go ahead, try to get. Well, guys, this is 575. Super excited to see what it does on the street.
Fuck, slideways me, daddy.
No, it's slide me sideways, daddy.
Oh, yeah, slide me sideways, daddy. Slide me sideways, daddy.
All right, we're gonna.
That's the new slogan.
That's
the slide me sideways, daddy.
That is gonna be the new slogan. In Sideways Tune, we believe in, right? All right. Well, I guess we'll call it a night there, and super excited that I was able to pay 575 on stock pistons. It's crazy on pump gas. Well, spraying methanol too, but pump gas.